Hello everyone, I am Buck WSR Weaser. Out here at the horse farm, a couple of friends of mine here, and we're working on this Cub Cadet. What is this? What is this model? I don't even remember what it is. It doesn't really matter for the purposes of our video today, but it's got the Kohler carriage, 24 horsepower, twin cylinder, and I've decided that Kohler does not apparently want you changing your oil. Look how difficult this is to access it. Oh, do you see this under here? There's our little oil drain fitting. It's so hard to access, making an oil change a real chore here for something that should be an easily accessible regular maintenance item. I've got other videos where I've complained about difficult to access oil plugs, and this goes right along with it. I would love, if I had the chance, of course I don't because I don't have the materials on hand, but to replace this silly fitting with, some iron pipe and a 90-degree connector, and just arrange for a really easy and convenient oil change. But I'm telling you what I'm going to have to do here is I've been using a screwdriver and a brush to clean the built up debris out of the way. I'm actually going to take down the starter, which is just 2 bolts here and here, and get it out of the way. I'm going to get a jack and sort of put the tractor on a slight incline so it'll drain in this direction, and I'll have to slide something plastic or cardboard or something under here so that we can funnel the draining oil away from the engine pan, because otherwise you're just going to have a huge mess on your hands. I just can't understand why manufacturers can't make it a little more easy to access the oil drain plug on some of these setups. I mean, a 6-inch piece of pipe hanging out here with a 90, perfect. Well, let's do what we need to do. I'm going to move the starter out of the way just to get more access to this plug. We'll incline the engine in this direction and find some kind of piece of plastic or cardboard or something so we can chase it away and into our drain pan.
Daddy.
Alright, so take a look here what I've devised. I took a pair of scissors, a coffee can lid, and created a flexible flat piece that I jammed under the drain valve. I removed the starter, moved that out of the way. I jacked up this front corner of the tractor and verified with a level that we are leaning in the direction of the oil drain, and hopefully now we can open that valve and drain this without making a big mess. So let's give that a try here. I can do it with one hand. Pop that guy off. Now this should turn and pull out to start the draining. Okay, I want that completely under there like that. Oh, you see what's happening here? This whole thing's turning back here. I don't want to pull that out. Hey, Al, come help me a second. Stand over here and hold the camera for me. You're just pointing it at that yellow thing here. That a girl. Alright, so let me see if I can. I gotta tighten this.
Why is it blinking red?
Because that means we're recording. Alright, I gotta pull this out. Isn't this a pain? It's like the people from Kohler, or shall we blame Cub Cadet? They don't really want you changing your oil, I guess, because they make it so darn complicated. Let's see if I can get this off. This should be one of the easiest maintenance things that you do. All right, I think I'm about ready to pull that out. Let's get our little doohickey back in place, and but you know, you can see it even going back. 'Cause you're doing great. See, I'm not doing a great job because some of it is running back behind the drain valve. You getting that? So I'm going to try to elevate this tractor a little bit more. Well, here we are doing the best we can. Inevitably, some of the oil, though most of it is coming forward and falling into our drain pan. And I'm holding this piece of coffee can lid hard against the engine block, so hopefully not too much is running backwards, but some of it is going in there and it's dripping down on top of the PTO. I stuffed a rag down in there to catch whatever might go that way. So that's working all right. All right, so we're back together and we've changed the oil, put the starter back up there, and there's our little almost inaccessible drain plug. Next time I come, I'm going to put like a 6-inch threaded nipple on there to make our life easier from here on out. We changed the filter on this side. Look, if you want to see I'm going to leave a link here at the end to another video I did showing you how to change out that inaccessible drain valve and make your life easier. That's what we're going to do next time for this machine. Well, we're back in business. Thank you for watching, everybody, and have a great day.